Hello. So this video is for those who missed yesterday's orientation session for internship. So here's a short video explaining the things that we discussed yesterday. Alright, so we'll go over content, methodology, operations, checklist, Python refresher, and starting date. So the content, initially we'll start with HTML. On the first day is basic HTML, then we'll go to Flask, and then we'll do a full stack application in React and Python. This is going to be a basic full stack application initially in the first part of internship, and we are doing this because many of the students have not used HTML, they don't know how the internet works, etc. So here we'll build the foundation of programming, we'll get familiar with the coding, with VS Code, with thought process, etc. Then our core area about deep learning. So we'll start with neural networks, artificial neural networks, CNN, RNN, transformers, and we'll build our own LLM. Here we'll also do some machine learning algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, which I have not mentioned here, pandas, NumPy, matplotlib, etc. Then we move to the third section, which is RAG and fine tuning, which is going to be the latest tech stack for today's AI first world. And finally, we'll have a capstone project, which is actually we'll be building a micro product. We'll need some ideas from you, but some of the ideas that we had discussed were, let's say you upload your photo and then it gives you different photos in different hairstyles or different colors of clothes, etc. Or you upload a photo, it animates. So you can come up with your small ideas, or otherwise we'll also do our brainstorming sessions. So that's going to be a micro product, and then we'll be deploying it with Docker and deployment on AWS or DigitalOcean. So that's the content we have. It covers a lot of things and many things which are not mentioned here, like agentic AI, vibe coding, etc. will also be covered in here. What's going to be our methodology? So we'll be having groups of 4, and you have to assign your own team lead. If you don't have any group, then we can assign a group for you, but the first preference is your choice. This is going to be 90% coding and 10% theory because we want to actually build a product. We want to see how everything works. So only the theory will be covered, only wherever it is required. Particularly in the deep learning, it's a little bit of more theory and maths, etc. Students are expected to ask questions for as much as possible. In terms of operations, the physical batch is 10 to 1 and 2 to 5. We'll run a poll who's joining for which batch, etc. Online, there is going to be 10 to 1, and then we'll be having a primary mode of communication is going to be Discord. This is where we'll be talking all the progress of the group, daily updates, etc. For both online and offline students will happen on Discord. Checklist, this is what you need to have installed on your computer before 30th. VS Code, Python, and GitHub. These 3 things are needed anyway. And then Node.js is optional. If you have it installed, best. If you don't have it, try installing Node.js. If you have any problems in installations, you can DM your Ask On group. Then I'll be sending you 12 collab sheets for Python refresher. This is going to be just for freshening up your knowledge about Python. It's going to take about 2 hours. You are supposed to type the code if you are new. If you are already experienced with Python, you can just run the code. Typing the code is better so that we build our body memory as well. The first session will happen on 30th of December. It will be online from 10 to 1 p.m. And from 2nd January, we'll have offline and online sessions, both of them. So that's overall in short that we had discussed. Do think about your project ideas. There are multiple, there are many projects that we'll be doing. Every group will have a different project, and later on we'll have a showcase as well for projects. We might be having hackathon as well once in between, so we'll see how it goes. So yes, and generative AI is not mentioned over here right now. It will be started once we kickstart the coding related internship. Then we start generative AI training. So it will probably be maybe first or second week of January. And the sessions will run in evening anyway, so that might go in February a little bit as well. This video is for both engineering interns and MCA interns. Now for the MCA interns, it's going to be 6 months of internship. So if you are in Nashik, you can come to our office from February onwards, and for till then it's going to be online. And for Pune or other students, it's going to be fully online, again on Discord and Telegram we'll be doing. So even though your internship is 6 months, this is the first month will be common for engineering and MCA students both. And then for MCA, because your time commitment is about 8 hours, there will be other things related to company, business, operations, social media, etc. So that we'll be discussing separately. Just think of this as your primary goal for January as far as the technology or coding is concerned. Yes, that's it. I am so the 2026 is coming, and I wish you all the best. And I want to thank you for joining the internship as well. Let's hope and let's make this 2026 as the key transformative year where we become the first-hand technology masters in a way, and that's why we have the name like CTO school, which is Chief Technology Officer. So the goal is to really master all technologies, all important technologies in short amount of time. And one primary intention of this internship is also to inculcate the art of learning. How do we learn new things very quickly in short amount of time, so that we can take the full advantage of AI. So that's it. Thank you so much. See you. Bye. And yes, if you have not joined internship and you are still looking, you can DM me, you can drop a comment to this video, or you can ask your friends. And we have internship applications going on till 30th, and then we start. All right. Yes. Bye.